Hey everyone, welcome to our comparison video of two popular mesh Wi-Fi systems. In this video, we'll be comparing the eero 6 Wi-Fi extender and the TP-Link Deco AXE5400 mesh system. If you're in the market for a new mesh Wi-Fi system, stick around to see which one comes out on top. And if you like this video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe to our channel for more tech reviews. Both eero 6 and Deco AXE5400 have impressive coverage capabilities, but Deco AXE5400 edges out eero 6 with its ability to cover up to 7,200 square feet, compared to eero 6's 1,500 square feet. However, it's important to note that eero 6 extenders require an existing eero network, which can be a drawback for some users. Both eero 6 and Deco AXE5400 are Wi-Fi 6 compatible, but Deco AXE5400's true tri-band speed enables a maximum speed of 5,400 megabits per second for up to 200 devices, while eero 6 can deliver up to 1 gigabit per second for multiple devices. Deco AXE5400's brand new 6 GHz band also eliminates interference from legacy devices, prioritizing stable connections between nodes. TP-Link Deco AXE5400's AI-driven mesh system automatically learns your network environment, client quality, and user behaviors for uninterrupted smart Wi-Fi. Meanwhile, eero 6 uses true mesh technology to intelligently route traffic and reduce drop-offs, while also providing automatic updates to keep your network safe and secure. Both systems have easy setup processes accompanied by their respective apps. TP-Link Deco AXE5400 also works with Alexa for voice-controlled management of your Wi-Fi network, along with the added feature of TP-Link Home Shield, which provides premium security services for your home network. The eero 6 Wi-Fi extender comes in at a lower price of $79, while the TP-Link Deco AXE5400 mesh system is priced at $359. However, it's important to note that the Deco AXE5400 comes equipped with more advanced features, like the AI-driven mesh and TP-Link Home Shield. And that's our comparison of the eero 6 Wi-Fi extender and the TP-Link Deco AXE5400 mesh system. While both systems have their own strengths and weaknesses, we think the Deco AXE5400's advanced features and superior coverage and speed capabilities make it a winner. But ultimately, it comes down to the user's specific needs and preferences. Let us know in the comments which one you prefer, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tech reviews.